G'day guys, it's Nathan here from All Brand Caravan Services. Today I'm working on a Jayco Destiny service. The customer has come in for the service. We've jacked up his van, we've removed the hubs, done all of his bearings inspections, everything like that. Now it's on to the gas, electrical and plumbing side of things. Now we're testing the customer's hot water system and we've noticed that his sacrificial anode is actually been eaten away completely. As you can see, there is hardly any magnesium left on that anode there. This is the comparison compared to a brand new one there. You can see it is completely full and it hasn't been eaten away at all. Now these sacrificial anodes, they will break off over time and they'll actually break these little chunks off into your hot water system tank. This is why we're doing this here for the customer. We do this every single service. We'll actually pull your anode out, double check that it is not needing to be replaced, and then we'll flush the whole system out just to get rid of all of these little chunks of magnesium there. You don't want that in your tank. That can backfill all the way through your pipes and up into your drinking water, into your tap. So guys, if you've got any hot water system issues, if your hot water, when you pour it in, is got a bit of a funny taste to it, just let us know. Come on down, we can check that anode for you. There could be some other issues there with the hot water system itself, but we can definitely get it sorted for you. Thank you.